In this class we will create linear repetitions using the command linear pattern, which allows you to create repetition of features, faces or solid bodies, in one or two directions. This command greatly accelerates the creation of parts, making it possible to gain design time. Come on, let's go. Note this template, available in the class files. We need to create linear repetitions of the feature shown. We have activated the command linear pattern, and in Property Manager we have your options. Let's first define the two directions of repetition. In the Direction 1 box, in the first active option we must select an edge, axis or dimensional to guide repetition. We click on the edge shown and look at the arrow indicating the direction. By clicking reverse direction we can reverse the direction. In this box we also define the distance between the repeating entities, for which we enter 0, 30 inches. And the number of copies that will be created in this direction, in this case 12. For direction 2 we select the other edge shown, set 0, 4 inches for the distance and 5 for the number of repetitions. Next, we have the boxes for selecting the entities we want to repeat, which can be features, faces or solid bodies. For the Features to Pattern box, we select the Extrude 5 feature and automatically the preview is shown. In the box Instances to Skip we can select entities that will not be created by clicking on the points shown in the preview in the graphic area. We click on the points shown, which will be ignored when confirming the command. Finally, we have the options. If Geometry Pattern is enabled, the command copies the entities by repeating. Otherwise, reapplies the feature for each instance that will be created. It is recommended to leave it marked whenever possible, as the model is rebuilt faster. In our case, we leave it unchecked. The latter option, when enabled, allows the propagation of visual properties in repeated entities, for example, of the color applied to the feature. We left it disabled and confirmed the command. Notice that the points selected in the Instances to Skip box have been ignored in the command application. Also note that the color applied to the original feature was not applied to the repetitions. We edit the Pattern 1 feature and enable the Propagate Visual Properties option. Note that the color of the original feature has now been propagated to the repetitions. Let's see the time of reconstruction of the model in this feature linear pattern. For this, in the Tools menu, we click on the Feature Statistics option. Note the rebuild time of the feature and model. We click close to close this box. We edit the Pattern feature and activate the Geometry Pattern option. We confirm the command and click Rebuild, to update the model rebuild. In the Tools menu, we click on Feature Statistics again. Note that the rebuild time of the feature is much shorter, decreasing the rebuild time of the model. This is of great importance when working with complex parts or with assemblies, as it generates time and performance. We learn in this class how to use the command linear pattern, showing the command options so that the user can define as desired, or as the project needs.